Ever wonder why your house sits on the market even though buyers keep coming through? You've staged it, you've priced it, but still, no offers. Most sellers assume it's the price, but in my experience, that's usually not the main reason. After tracking buyers at hundreds of open houses and private showings, patterns start to emerge. There are some things you can't control: location, neighbors, the layout of the street. But there are also things you can actually do to make your home more appealing and get serious offers. The number one reason buyers hesitate is the location. Busy streets, power lines, noisy schools nearby, or neighbors looking into your backyard can turn buyers off instantly. Even if your house is beautiful, location is king. The neighborhood itself matters too. Buyers want to see well-kept homes, clean streets, and a community that feels cared for. If your house is the nicest on the block, surrounded by properties that aren't maintained, it can actually work against you. You can't change the location, but you can price for it and present your home to highlight its positives. Next is layout. Vancouver homes, especially older ones like Vancouver Specials, can have quirky floor plans. Multi-level homes, step-ups, step-downs, or bedrooms in the basement sometimes confuse buyers. Families want simple, functional spaces. If your home feels complicated or awkward, some buyers will walk out without thinking about an offer. The solution is understanding your buyer type. Sometimes small changes, like opening a wall or improving flow, can make a difference, or at least your pricing can reflect the layout quirks. Backyard and outdoor space are huge for buyers, especially families. Privacy, usable space, and areas for kids or pets make a big difference. Even if the interior is perfect, a backyard that feels exposed, overlooked, or too small can stop an offer. Buyers need to visualize living there, whether it's entertaining, relaxing, or letting their kids play. Simple improvements like shrubs, small fences, or staging outdoor areas can make the backyard feel private and inviting. Visual impact counts. Now, let me introduce myself properly. I'm Ken Wong, a Vancouver realtor, and I help families sell their homes for the best price possible. I've seen firsthand what works and what doesn't in this market, and I want to help you understand why buyers aren't making offers on your home and what you can do about it. Another big factor is pricing relative to condition. If your home has older floors, outdated kitchens, or bathrooms, buyers immediately calculate renovation costs in their head. If the price doesn't match the condition, they leave. This is where my background in renovations helps. I know what upgrades really matter and what buyers notice, so you don't over-improve but still make the home appealing. Timing and readiness also play a role. Many buyers aren't fully ready yet. They may need to sell their own home first, or they're waiting for mortgage rates to shift. That's not something you can control, but you can make sure the right buyers see your home and don't waste time showing it to people who aren't ready. Comparison is another challenge. With more homes on the market, buyers are comparing options constantly. Even small differences, better light, a better yard, or a more inviting feel, can tip them toward another property. Knowing what buyers value and presenting those features well can make a big difference. So what can you actually control? Presentation is key. Staging, cleaning, small upgrades, and curb appeal all matter. Pricing realistically for your location and condition is another. And finally, who you hire to represent you is crucial. A professional agent can give you honest, actionable feedback and guide you to make the right adjustments without over-improving or underselling. The solution is simple but powerful. Make sure your home is shown in its best light, price it appropriately, and get expert guidance. Small changes can lead to serious offers. I've put together a free guide that walks you through exactly how to make your home more appealing and get offers faster in today's Vancouver market. Click the link in my bio to grab it, or comment "selling" below, and I'll send it to you personally. And of course, if you want to talk about your home or get professional guidance, you can contact me directly at the phone number below. I'll be happy to help you sell your home for the best price possible, even in a challenging market.